Hello, welcome. Today I would like to show you again what's flowering in the lily collection. So, welcome to the garden, let's dig in. So this first lily is Ilsa and it's still flowering. It has quite a lot of buds, 4 or 5 buds on a plant. The white one is Gwen and it's a lovely plant, but it doesn't grow as well as Ilsa. Unfortunately, Happy Eskimo is finishing, also Lollipop is finishing, but Orange Matrix is looking great, Yellow Matrix also looking great, Abbeville Sprite is looking great, and soon Tiger Babies is going to open with a lot of nice flowers. Look at that inflorescence with a lot of secondary buds. TA Hybrid Battalion. This one is Orange Summer, and the pink one is Foxtrot. It's an old cultivar. Strawberry Event. Oh, and I stepped on a lily. Oh, this is bad news. Something happened to a lily stem and it fell over totally. I'm quite unhappy. The white one is Pearl Francis, and soon I'm going to have a lot of flowers on the Regale and the Regale album. Regale album is almost opening. How nice. There are still a lot of, not a lot, but a few flowers on Apricot Fudge. A lot of flowers on Purple Marble. Still a lot of flowers on Giraffe. No, sorry, Grafty. And my seedlings looking nice. Salinero. Forever Susan opened up. It's a nice flower, but it has a umbel inflorescence, so I'm not really a big fan of umbel inflorescences in lilies. Tiny Parrot. So lovely. Seedlings. And the fasciated trumpet. And Tribal Dance, also an umbel flower. Tribal Dance again. Must see. Corsage is opening up nicely in the open field. Look at this beautiful pink yellow flowers. And Trésor with a very nice strong orange color. And the dwarf ones are opening up. Forever Marjoline, Trendy San Francisco, Tiny Parrot, Tiny W, and Trendy Santiago, Trendy Las Palmas, Tiny Invader, Tiny Ranger, Sparkling Joy, and this one is Tiny Shadow, and Orange Sensation, And what's the pink one? Trendy Dakota. And the TAs are opening. The yellow one is Bizet. Kessler has a very nice inflorescence. And Sentosa is the nice pink one. And Foxley, this is Foxley, the orange one with very nice white petals, or tepals shall we say. Double Lady is not really double this year because the warmth it got, and the alleys are starting to open. The red one is Ducati and the orange one is Tebaldi. And what's this one? I don't see the name tag, but it's somewhere there. A lot of nice colors. Yellow. So this one is Yellow Power. And so many nice lilies. This one is Backhand. Unfortunately, it's not that double this year. And this pink one is Malbec. And some nice red ones opening. And the apricot colored one, what's the name? Rodengo. Look at this inflorescence, a lot of buds, secondary buds, very thick stem, lovely. And so the mix-ups, the red one is Matchmaker. You can see some virus symptoms already on the flowers, color breaking. Yellow Rapid, it's a tetraploid Asiatic. And what's this? Oh, Forever Linda. But you can also already see the virus symptoms, so it's a very sensitive cultivar for me in Hungary. And the red one is Milas. So this should be Night Rider, but it's a mix. Some lovely lilies from the Baltics, Louisa. Nice, very nice crisp colors. Look at that, with the tango spots. I don't know if you can see it now. Very nice dark. Lovely lilies. So the alleys were growing so much that I can no longer see the name tags, but they look nice. Some mix-up again. Well, some growers are not that good. And some are excellent. Very nice. So, thank you for your attention. Till next time, happy gardening.